Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial I am going to show you today I have installed Primavera Unifier and I have already set companies. Okay, so for installation of Primavera, what are the prerequisites that are required? I need Java. First of all, I need Java version 11 that I have downloaded, and the same thing if you require, then you can just mail me. I will send you my Dropbox where I have kept everything. Let me show you those two. So I will go to my Dropbox. So in Drop, you can install from the net itself. Otherwise, if you want, I can share my link of Dropbox where you can get all the Unify installation setup. From this itself, you can install Primavera Unifier, and apart from that, you can connect me on Zoom where I'm going to help you in installation of Primavera Unifier. So these are the setup which I have kept, and the same thing I'm going to share with you. It's taking a bit time to open. Let it open. I will show you. So guys, this is Java 11 and WebLogic 14c that I have, and this is the tested configuration which is required, which are the pre-required uh, softwares for installation of Primavera Unifier and database 19c. So Java, WebLogic, and database 19c, and of course the software Primavera Unifier 25.12. So all these softwares I have in my system. So see, so this is database 19c, and this one is WebLogic. And apart from that, let me show you. I think the system is a bit slow, that's why. Okay, in desktop I have kept WebLogic. Apart from that, I have Unifier 25.12 I have. So with the help of this one, okay, I have installed Primavera Unifier. So let me tell you how I am opening Primavera Unifier. Okay, first I need to cut this one. So if you want the setup, I can just mail me. I will send you the link of my Dropbox from where you can download. So for starting Primavera, I have went to Unifier. Under Unifier, the folder, okay, the folder which you have under Unifier, I will go to WebLogic. Okay, under WebLogic, I have an option called Startup. See, this is Startup. Okay, I will just copy the link. Okay, and I will open command prompt. Okay, and in command prompt, I will just paste the link. Okay, in the top, I have pasted the link. Okay, see, in the topmost, I have pasted the link in command prompt. See, here I have pasted the link. Okay, cd space, just paste the link. After pasting the link, just press enter. After enter, just write startup. Okay, your WebLogic page will open. See, here you can see, here I have pressed the link. Okay, after pasting the link, I have pressed enter. After pressing enter, then I will write startup here. Once you write startup, then it will write running. Once it will start running, then you can see it's running in running mode. Then after that, I have logged into the Unifier page. So I have given this link which I have created, the port name, okay, localhost or port name, port number, and Unifier. So I will write co-admin, and the password is admin admin61234. I will give in the password. I will just click login. Okay, so now it is login to my company workspace. So from the first time when I have logged in, then I have logged in through administrator. User and password is also administrator, and it asks for my password change. Then I have changed password. Thereafter I went to the site administrator, and in site administrator I have created one company, and in the company I have given permissions. So thereafter, and the permissions I have given user ID password, that is co-admin, and password that I have given. Now my workspace for company has created here. So I will switch to this is company from user mode to, okay, administrator mode. I'll switch to user mode to administrator mode. Okay, so this is the administrator mode. Okay, and this is company workspace where I'm going. So this is the company workspace. Okay, and here is a button for switching here to user mode. So you can go to the you can just check the interface of Primavera Unifier 25.12. So guys, if you want the installation uh, softwares, and if you want how to install, you can just mail me. I will help you through the installation via Google link. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos on Primavera Unifier.